Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into Portal. Azure. Come with your Microsoft ID. Provide your phone and payment details so identity verification succeeds. Once done, enable two-step authentication and accept the subscription agreement to unlock free tier credits. Make sure to choose or create the correct tenant and set a default directory, because that determines access boundaries and billing. This first window sets account scope and permissions, so double-check billing address and region before proceeding to resource creation. Now you configure access and organize resources. Create a resource group in the closest region to reduce latency and add tags for cost tracking. Next, set role-based access control, assign owner only where necessary, give contributors scoped permissions, and readers for visibility. Then implement Azure policy and define budgets and email alerts so unexpected charges don't surprise you. Make sure to test permissions with a secondary account and use least privilege to limit blast radius as you build services. Finish by deploying a lightweight VM or app service to validate your network, NSG, and quota limits. This confirms resource creation and region constraints. Then enable Azure Monitor, link log analytics, and review activity logs so you can observe behavior and costs in real time. If deployment fails or resources are blocked, check subscription spending limits, RBAC assignments, and whether payment verification or billing holds paused provisioning. If needed, raise a support request from the portal and attach activity logs to
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.